Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel Spratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 3. So, students, this is a part 3 video for the chapter 3 Tux Paint. Students, let's discuss about drip magic. What happens when water is sprinkled on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter that is written using ink pen? The ink or colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in TuxPaint. Select a red background. Click on the text tool in the tools bar. Select the font style from the letters. Choose yellow color from the color palette and write the following text: Hello, I am learning, and press the enter key and type Tux Paint with white color. Now select the magic tool and choose the drip effect from the magic subtool box. Drag the magic wand over the text to adding dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after applying the drip effects. So it will be change, students. Now we will discuss about rainbow effect. How to use rainbow effect, students? Let's know. In the subtools of magic tools, there are two types of rainbow effect tools. Rainbow effect, it draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow, it allows you to draw a rainbow just like the one you see in the sky after a rainfall. Let us try both the effects on our drawing. Select the magic tool from the toolbar and the rainbow effect from the subtool box. Now drag the magic wand from one point to another in a shape. As you move the mouse, a train of rainbow colors will be drawn. Now select the real rainbow effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area. Click and drag the wand from one end to the other end. Release the mouse and you will see a real rainbow on your. Let's discuss about smudge effect. Smudge tool is used to give effects as if the color is mixed using wet paint. It is used to mix two or more different colors smoothly. It can be used to draw water bodies. Let us learn how to use it. First of all, draw a few thick multiple colored lines to each other using the line tool as shown in the figure. Now click on the magic tool and select the smudge effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on these lines till you get the desired result. It will create a beautiful smudge effect. Let's discuss about wave effects. Wave effects. This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side horizontally. Let us observe this effect. Open a new file with blue background. Select the lines tool. Choose white and yellow color from the color palette. Now draw vertical lines as shown in the figure. Now select the magic tool and choose the waves effect from the subtool box. Read the instruction given by Penguin carefully and click on the screen accordingly. Let us click on at the bottom of drawing area to get taller wave effect. Thank you very much students to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.